welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today's video is gonna be based on Boxy Charm from January 2019. This is what Boxy Charm looks like. It comes with a black box, and if you don't know what Boxy Charm is, it's $21 monthly subscription. It comes with 4 to 5 full-size products, and the reason I love this Boxy Charm is because they come with different brands and they are so good. I'm gonna show you guys Boxy Charm's theme for January 2019. It's called Boxy and Chill. Okay guys, so one of the products that came with the box, it's a red lipstick from Bite Beauty, and I have it right now, and with the shade Pickle Ginger, and this retails for $36. Second product that I got in the box is called Briogio. It's a leave-in hair mask, and the reason I love it is because it leaves my hair smooth and soft, and it retails for $16. That I received is this eye pencil. Is from Starlooks, and I really didn't like it because it's not so pigmented, but some of you guys would like to try it. So comment down below if you received this in your Boxy Charm this January. And this one retails for $19. Next product I'm gonna show you guys is a mask for the face, and it's from Tatcha. This one I used it before. Actually comes two, but I used it, the other one I used it in my previous video. So this one, it really left my skin very smooth, and that's why I really love it. So this one retails for $24. So my last product that I got is this beautiful palette from Tarte called Rainforest of the Sea in volume 3. So I'm gonna show you guys these beautiful colors. These are the beautiful colors, and some of these colors I put it in my eyelid, and I'm in love with these products. This is literally my favorite of my products so far with Boxy Charm. So if you guys receive it, comment down below if you guys received this. So the beautiful colors I received in my Boxy Charm of January 2019. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If I enjoyed the beauty fam, I see you in my next video. Bye beauty fam.